YouTube, Garage Blaze here. So I'm going to show you how to fix your 2007 Ford Explorer or Mercury Mountaineer, same exact vehicle. The AC is only working in max and not in minimal speed, but there's a digital screen. Usually you change the resistor, which is what I'm going to do here, and I already bought the part from a junkyard because they're actually pricey. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So this is what we're going to be fixing today. That only works in max. I'm going to show you that in just a minute. But if you have the knobs, it's a whole different process. I can show you that as well. But this is dedicated for the digital. So here we go. All right, guys. So just so you can see what I'm talking about is, let me turn on the car. When you turn on the AC, see, it doesn't work in low. It only works when you get to the max speed. As you can see, it turned on, you can hear it, right? But if you go down just one speed, it dies right away. There's no air coming out. That's actually me shaking. Oh, man. Okay. So there's no air coming out, right? It only works in max. What you have to fix is your AC blower resistor, which is this bad boy right here. I bought off a junkyard. I paid 30 bucks for it. I think from the 2002 all the way to 2010 is the same. And if you have the knobs, you have another resistor, which I actually have here. You can buy this one off of Amazon. I think it was like 20 bucks or whatever. I have it for another vehicle. And then the resistor, I'm going to show you the location of the resistor. But in this case, for the digital, it's this resistor. It's going to be behind the glove compartment. It's going to be the first thing attached to your AC blower. And the positive side. So I'm going to show you that. Let me just go ahead and take out the glove compartment. To take out the glove compartment, super easy process. Take everything that's inside, just like here, and you're going to push here on the sides, just like this, on both sides. On this side, man, the sun is killing me, huh? Sorry. So you push here like this, and you push here like this. Let me show you. There you go. And your glove compartment falls down just like that. Now you're going to come in here and remove this three actually screws. It's 1, 2, and 3. I believe they're size 7. I'm gonna double check that. And then that's your resistor right there. So let me take this off so I can have better space and I can show you. You know what, you may not have to remove the glove compartment. I'm gonna do it just for the space and so I can record properly, and then I'm gonna show you if you have to or not, because I think I have access. Yeah, I definitely have access from here. It's just that one screw. I'm going to tell you the dimensions for that, and I'm going to show you what to do next. So just give me 1 second. Let me take this off. Okay, guys, so I took off the glove compartment. It gives me some access from the bottom, which is nice. These 3 bolts, they were size 7, so it's 7 meters with 3 of them. I use my drill. If you need to buy tools, just click my link in the description. If you want a power drill, nowadays they're really good, and they're cheap. And any cheap power drill, battery drill is good enough. Anyways, as you can see here, this is your AC blower. This is your connector. Comes here. This goes to the right. If you follow the cable, is the negative is ground, so it's connected to just the frame of the vehicle. But the positive comes in here, and it goes in here, and it comes down here, and it comes here to this. So your resistor is the first thing plugged in to your blower. Why? Because it controls your blower speed. Okay, so keep that in mind. That way, for this, so you can fix any car. Okay, any car, if you have this issue, is your resistor. It's the first thing connected to your blower because it controls your blower. For the other vehicle, like I mentioned before, this vehicle, but with the knobs, it's that one before, and it's also here in this location. It's 2 screws, and it comes out very easily. So here, this is a size 8. I'm gonna go ahead and remove that. I have it right here. And I think I'm just gonna go from the bottom. I still don't know the setup that I'm gonna be using, but probably looks something like this. Maybe I'm gonna get a longer socket, maybe. And sorry, righty tighty, lefty loosey, right? So, oh, come on. Okay, I'm not gonna bore you with this, but it's actually very easy because these screws you can actually, even if you hold the socket in your hand, you can still use your hand strength and take it off, because it's on plastic. See right there, I can turn it with my hands. So you can do that as well if you don't have space, or if you have, I don't know, sausage fingers or whatever. So Go ahead and remove that. Boom, boom, boom. And then this comes down and up. Just make sure you move the cables out of place, because there's some cables that are connected to it, and not just connected, but in place. You can unplug it as well. I don't want to unplug it yet. But as you notice, it comes up from the top, and then you can take it out. So you gotta kind of unhook it from the top. And it's definitely way easier if you use both of your hands. But I want to record and show and tell. And that's it. That's my resistor. As you can notice, I have a different part number, which it doesn't matter. So it ends in AA, but the first 4 letters are different. As you can see, I got this one in a junkyard because it was way cheaper and faster. I paid 30 bucks, but they usually go for 40 bucks. I know a guy. And you can buy it. I tried Amazon AutoZone. AutoZone said 170. I think they had a second brand for $87, but they had to order the part. XO Parts had it for 87 bucks as well, but they had to order the part, and I needed the part right away. I'm gonna check Amazon and eBay. I'm gonna put a link in the description if I find something, but they range between 30 bucks, 30, 40 bucks, unless you want to buy, you know, the original from dealer. And that's it, guys. You put it back the same way. Let me put everything back, see if I found any issues, and then I'm going to show you how this fixed my issue. So here we go. Okay, guys, so it's in. Very easy. Remember, you just push that in first, and then you screw this. I use this setup right here because I was able to do it from here with the extension. And if you have another extension, that'll be even faster and better. While I was doing it with one hand, I was pushing this up to make sure it's all the way up. And that's it. And then for the plug, I didn't show you how to take it off, but it's very easy. Push and pull. So just kind of push and pull out, and then just to put it in, just push in. So now that it's set up, let me go ahead and try it. And you're gonna come in here, turn on your car. Okay. So now it's in max. Yeah. See? That's slow. Well, damn it, I'm still shaking, but you can definitely hear it. There you go, see? And now all my speeds are working. This works on any car. Any car you have, the resistor is what controls this, what controls your blower power. And see, now this is low. Very low. It's still going. You can probably hear it, or hopefully see that I'm not lying. But that's it, guys. Hopefully this helped you and it fixed your vehicle. It's definitely annoying when you have to drive it everything with Mac, because it's loud and also it's super cold, and then you turn it off and it's just super hot and it's crazy. So hopefully it helped you. You like and subscribe, share this with your friends. Super common on Ford Explorer and Mercury Mountaineer. That's your issue. Again, for the knobs, it's still the resistor. It looks different, but it's still in the same location. You still have to do the same process, basically. Thanks for watching. Take care.